Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Ragupta. Already we have to learn indefinite integral 2b. Today we are going to discuss definite integral essay questions also. Two 7 marks problems will be given in public examination in this chapter. So first of all, we can explain properties of definite integration. First of all, we have to learn properties of this chapter. I can explain one by one properties. After that, I will tell the essay questions also. First property, integral a to b f of x dx equal minus integral b to a f of x dx. These are the first property. This property we can use. A is called lower limit, B is called upper limit. A is called lower limit, B is called upper limit. In any case, we can integrate. The lower limit is this one, this is upper limit. Lower limit is least about upper limit. In case upper limit is largest and lower limit is least. In case lower limit is largest value, upper limit is least value, when we can apply this property. Okay, lower limit and upper limit is changed. We can apply minus also. We can apply minus. So lower limit and upper limit is changed. A to B, we can write B to A f of x ds. We can write B to A f of x ds. In case, some example, integral 1 to 2 x square dx. Integral 1 to 2 x square dx. 1 is called lower limit, 2 is called upper limit. First of all, integral of x square. What is the formula of x power of n? Integral of x power of n equal x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 2. So x square integral, we can apply this formula. Xi cube by 3 and apply lower limit and upper limit. First of all, we can apply the upper limit. Replace x by 2, 2 cube by 3 minus, always put minus, next applying the lower limit, that is 1 cube means 1 by 3, that equal 2 cube value 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that equals 7 by 3. This is the final answer. Okay. If in case integral minus 1 to 1 x dx. In case integral 1 to minus 1 x ds equal to, we can interchange lower limit and upper limit. Minus will be given, minus of minus 1 to 1 x dx. Okay, so this property useful in this stage. Next, second property. If A to A less than C less than B, this is most important condition. If A less than C less than B, then integral A to B f of x dx equal integral A to C f of x dx plus integral C to B f of x dx. Okay. Integral A to B f of x dx equal to A to C f of x dx plus C to B f of x dx. This is second property. In case integral 0 to 2 pi sin x dx. Integral 0 to 2 pi sin x dx. Okay. But sin x is not always positive. Q1 and Q2 is positive. Q3 and Q4 is negative. So we can apply this one 0 to pi sin x dx plus integral pi to 2 pi sin x dx. Integral pi to 2 pi sin x dx. Okay, by using this property 0 to 2 pi. Clear? Next problem. Integral 0 to a f of x dx equal integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to f of a minus x dx. Next, integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is fifth one. Minus a to f of x dx equal to integral 0 to f of x dx. If f of x is even. What is f of x is even? What is even function? What is even function? If f of x equal to x square. If f of x equal to x square. Replace x by minus x. Replace x by minus x. That equal minus x whole square. That equal to x square. Again f of x form. Again the form f of x. So replace x by minus x by, but f of x is same function. If in this is called even function. This is called even function. Another example. This is algebraic example. This is the trigonometric example. F of x equal to cos x. F of x equal to cos x. F of minus x equal to cos of minus x. Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. That equals is also a same f of x. So f of x equal to cos x is also even function. In that time, this term will be taken to integral 0 to a f of x dx. We can write 2 integral 0 to f of x dx. F of x is odd. The example of odd function. F of x equal to x cube. F of x equal to x cube. X place lo minus x raste minus x whole cube. Minus x whole cube. You can write this one minus x cube. Minus x cube. That equal to minus of x cube is equals to f of x. F of x cube equal to f of x. F of minus x equal to minus of f of x. This is odd function. This is algebraic example. Some trigonometric example equal to f of x equal to sin x. F of x equal to sin x. Replace x by minus x. Sin of minus x. Sin of minus x equal to minus sin x. That equal minus sin x equals to, we can write f of x. So f of minus x equal to minus of f of x. So this is a odd function. This is a odd function. That is the odd function. The value of this term is equals to directly answer 0. Okay. Next 0 to 2a f of x dx. 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 integral 0 to f of x dx. Whenever checking f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, we can write 2 integral 0 to f of x dx. If in case f of 2a minus x equal to minus of f of x, we get the answer is directly 0. These are the properties. This is the most important property. This is useful for if any 7 marks problem in this chapter. Okay, all 7 marks problems only depending on this property mostly. Some of the problems are also useful. This one, this property is useful in many of the problems. Okay, now we are going to the essay questions. Problem number 1. First problem is there. Integral integral 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 x dx by sin x plus cos x sin x plus cos x. Prove that equal pi by 2 root 2 pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. Okay, First of all, we can take LHS value. Let I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 x dx by sin x plus cos x. Okay, I am saying that integral, the property of integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Integral 0 to a f of x dx equal integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, by using this property, we can write replace x by pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. So integral 0 to pi by 2 minus x dx by sin of x place rho pi by 2 minus x plus cos of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, that equal 0 to pi by 2 minus x by sin 90 minus x equals to cos x plus cos 90 minus x equal to sin x. Okay, split into two parts, that equal pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos x plus sin x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 x by cos x plus sin x. Okay, this is also a given problem. We can take I. So replace I in this term. Integral pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos x plus sin x minus I. This is also I. This I from left to right side can take from left to right side. I plus I equal to I. 2I equals to pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by cos x plus sin x dx. This is the model number 1 in indefinite integral. The model number 1 integral 1 by a cos x plus b. Integral of 1 by a plus b cos x or integral 1 by a plus b sin x or integral 1 by a cos x plus b sin x or integral 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c. These are the model number 1 in indefinite integral. Okay, already learned in indefinite integral. These four are the model number 1. We have to learn. Put tan x by 2 equal to t. Put tan x by 2 equals to t. Put tan x by 2 equals to t. Put tan x by 2 equal to t. Now, changing the lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit x equals to 0. Lower limit x equals 0. Then t equal to tan of 0 by 2. 0 by 2 equals 0. That equal tan 0 degrees equals 0. This is the lower limit. Upper limit, we can take x equal to upper limit pi by 2. T equals to tan of pi by 2 by 2 equal to pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value equals to 1. Therefore, t equals to 1. Tan x by 2 equal to t. Derivative secant square x by 2 1 by 2 dx equal to dt. Next, dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, that equal to cos x equals to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Okay, next from above equation 2I equal to pi by 2 integral 0, the lower limit can take 0 equal to 0, upper limit pi by 2 equals to 1. Okay, dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square whole by cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus sin x equal to, this is sin x equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. 2t by 1 plus t square. The next step is I equals to pi by 2 integral 0 to 1 LCM of these two terms 2 dt by 1 plus t square whole by 1 minus t square plus 2t by 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square is dead cancel. That equal pi by 2 integral 0 to 1 2 dt by 1 minus t square plus 2t. 2 is dead cancel. That equals to pi integral 0 to 1 dt by, okay, minus is the common, t square minus 2t minus 1. Minus is the common, the remaining part t square minus 2t minus 1. That equal to pi integral 0 to 1 dt by, this is the adjustment, t. Next minus coefficient of t equal to 2. 2 by 2 equals to 1. That equal whole square minus 1 square 1 and remaining term minus 1. That equal to pi integral 0 to 1 dt by minus of t minus 1 whole square minus 1 that equal minus 2. That equals to minus 2. Multiply with minus. These two terms are interchanged. That equal pi integral 0 to 1 dt by 2 minus t minus 1 whole square. Dt by 2 minus t minus 1 whole square. We can write 2 is equals to root 2 whole square. The formula of integral a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2a log modulus of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay, integral 1 by x square minus a square dx equal to 1 by 2a log modulus of x minus a by x plus a. Integral 1 by a square minus x square dx equal to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x dx. The difference of these two formulas, that equal to pi into, this value is equal to 2i 1 by 2a. The value of a is root 2 log modulus of a plus x. A means root 2 plus x means t minus 1 by a means root 2 minus of t minus 1. Minus of t minus 1 equal to minus t minus of minus plus 1. Next, integral is over. Now we can apply the lower limit and upper limit. This is the value of 2i equals to. Okay, that equal I equal to pi by 2 into 2 4 root 2. Now can apply the upper limit. First of all, upper limit root 2 plus 1 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 plus 1. Minus of log of, we can apply the lower limit root 2 plus 0 means 0. That equal minus 1 by 0 means 0. Root 2 plus 1. root 2 plus 1. Okay, over. That equal to plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 is dead cancelled. That equal pi by 4 root 2 log of root 2 by root 2 equals to 1. Root 2 by root equals to 1 minus of log of root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Okay, log 1 value, since log 1 equals to 0. Log 1 equals to 0. This is the value is 0. Next, pi by root 4 root 2 log of, okay, minus is cancelled. The fraction is reversed. Reciprocal of this fraction, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Now, rationalizing these terms, pi by 4 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Okay. Root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Root 2 whole square. 2 minus 1. This is equals to 2. Okay. That equal to 1 pi by 4 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 whole square by 1. Okay. You can apply log of a power of m. Log of a power of m equal to m log a. M log a. That equals to pi by 4 root 2 into 2 into log of root 2 plus 1. 2 is 2 and cancel pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Pi by 2 root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. Next, problem number 2. This is the problem number 1 is over. Next, we are going to problem number 2 also. We can use same property.